Whether you believe it or not, God still have prophets. Whether you believe in Christianity or do not believe in Christianity, there is a prophet. God still have prophets. Now, have you people listened to all the prophecy that Prophet Jeremiah gave during this march between South Africa and Nigeria? All of them come to pass. And you will not see all these people now. They no go post them. Then go just watch the video, screenshot it, record it on their phone. If that prophecy no come to pass, you will see how they will use that prophecy to be mocking that pastor or prophet who gave that prophecy. All the thing where Prophet Jeremiah said, he even said that Nigeria should pray against yellow card. Do you see it? And still yet, then give Nigeria yellow card. And he said, South Africa, red card. And it happened. And he said that let's pray for strength so that Nigerian prayers will get strength. Since when Nigeria started praying this march, now this South African game, tough them, my brother. Everybody, some people BP they high. The ball they tough to Nigerians. He said let Nigeria pray for strength. And even this guy waiting the call is Sime. You see how the guy they weak, and this guy they pray like all the match when Nigeria they play. The guy they play full time. But this South African game, you see how the boy just they weak. They remove the guy. All the prophecy come to pass. All the prophecy where he gave before the match start, all of them was confirmed. Listen to the video.
Pray for strength, then pray for the goalposts.
Okay.
That should not, because the goalposts, I don't know what's happening there. South Africa people, they should pray against red card.
The man of God, during an indoor Facebook session, prophesied concerning the scheduled AFCON 6 p.m. match between Nigeria and South Africa. Let's listen to the man of God.
I'm talking about this one. Is what? Look at time.
12:52. Yes,
12,
8 minutes to 1. Yes, 8 minutes to 1.
They are playing today 6 p.m.
Yes, 6 p.m.
Okay, 6 p.m.
Yes,
because it is a friendly match. We are brothers.
You
are right in Nigeria. Please pray for Nigerian players. Pray for Nigerian players. I'm a father. I'm just advising you. Pray for Nigerian players for their work. What you want to pray for is number one, and they are pray for strength.
Okay.
Because strength. When I look at this, the strength just came down. And so pray for strength for them to have strength. I will not talk much. And also, secondly, two things that you're going to pray for. Pray for strength. Then pray for the goalposts.
Okay.
That should not, because the goalposts, I don't know what's happening there. The goalposts, I will not talk much. The goalposts. So you know what, you people know what to pray. Because my own, I'm a father to both sides. South Africa, I'm a father to Nigeria. So, you know, South Africa, but even right in the church right now.
True.
They are there. They are in the mountains. So, what is there is that you are in Nigeria, your prayers. The doctor will also they will also ask me, Papa, I know that they'll ask me, which prayer we going to pray? I'm also going to now talk about the South African side. The South African people, what their prayer that they're going to pray. Because people say, they are also this, yes, because balance. And the father has balance the outside. South African people, they should pray against red card. A red card. But I'm seeing yellow card for Nigeria. I want to go to now this one. Yes. So that's it.
Confirming the words of the man of God, Nigeria moves ahead to the AFCON finals after defeating South Africa in their semi-finals.
More advanced role down that right flank. Tole has been outstanding in midfield. Ulu will drop back into a defence, arguably a 5-man defence, when there's a Super Eagles side that has been a very...
Remember that the man of God said Nigerians should pray for strength for the players.
Months ago, Aina under pressure, and he's fouled by Mahopa.
Yeah. A good break there again from South Africa. They'll just have to use this little chance.
Victor Osimhen, who has been an energetic player from the beginning of the competition, to the point he was required to take a drug test, was unable to give his full performance because he was tired. The man of God also prophesied of seeing a yellow card for the Nigerians.
But I'm seeing yellow card for Nigeria.
The Nigerian team got a yellow card. Remember, the man of God said South Africans should pray against the red card.
South Africa people, they should pray against red card. South Africa people, they should pray against red card.
South Africa was issued a red card leading to a penalty.
Months ago, Aina under pressure, and he's fouled by Mahopa.
Yeah, a good break there again from South Africa.
A penalty, but the referee waves it away. South Africa, meanwhile, are now pleading with the referee.
The man of God said it clearly that he sees something happening in the goalpost.
Then pray for the goalposts. Okay. That should not, because the goalposts, I don't know what's happening there.
Kong looks like he's down and struggling. Moses Simon maintains pressure on Mudiba. Mudiba puts the ball out of play on the near side. Nigeria's Stole straight at Nobali. Chip ball, it's a decent looking ball, but it's tame ultimately from the man who won the free kick. See Dow, is he onside? Dow! And a heavy touch from Dow denies himself an opportunity.
Confirming his words, Nigeria scored against South Africa through a penalty in the goalpost area.
Straight down the middle and Nigeria lead. Stella Sublime, soaring, have hit their stride. They catch South Africa on the counter-attack and they punish Bafana Bafana. Osimhen with his second in the...
Listen again to the prophecy of Papa J.
Then pray for the goalposts. Okay. That should not, because the goalposts, I don't know what's happening there.
Out. Williams cannot make the save as Murphy goes centrally.
Papa J doesn't predict, he prophesies.
One, they're celebrating the grace of the prophet. That's right. Number two, they are celebrating the winning. Nigeria won. South Africa. Pray for strength. Then pray for the goalposts. Okay. That should not, because the goalposts, I don't know what's happening there. South Africa people, they should pray against red card.